Good afternoon. Uh, Obviously, there is one gap in between that we were asked to actually fill up, but I'm sure that the presentation will, definitely not be in that, you know, uh, say. We are TVS Electronics. We are basically into retail, and we also have a whole lot of innovative products and solutions. We we are a company which is about close to around 600 crores. We are a part of the larger TVS conglomerate, about 70 odd thousand crores, which predominantly has the two-wheeler and the three-wheeler divisions. We are actually more so into product manufacturing solutions, and also we are the other service providers. We have two big categories within our organization. One is the products and solutions group, where we have the hardware, the software, and we also have a customer support services group, where we offer warranties, and we also offer facility management, IT infra services. Plus, we also have a call center dedicated, and these call centers actually run for the larger companies like Flipkart, Amazon, and all that. So, when we offer solutions which is end to end, not so much asking somebody to buy us a hardware, or we go around bundling a software and then we kind of ask the customer to go and talk to somebody else. We don't do that. We offer a comprehensive solution. So it's hardware, training, software, and also services post that. So we would like you to, kind of discover what is our integrated approach, especially as a single point solution provider. While of course the PPT here has all the details, etc. We also would like to invite you to our stall, which is just outside this hall, once we are done, and we can show you our assortment of products that we have, in line for the entire retail channel. We specialize in hardware and, of course, software. We have tie-ups with different companies. We tie up with, our own. We have our own software called TVS-E, Snapbiz, QBuster, and apart from that, we also have 6DX, which is one of our newest partners right now. We also look at all solutions to be given at the point of sale, at every outlet. Now, this would include, obviously, label printers, the Android touch POS systems, predominantly Windows-based, again, we have got there. While Android, of course, is there, our mix is close to about 60-40. We do about 60 odd of Windows and about 40 odd of, Android systems, so to say. Plus, we've got receipt printers. We also have Android handheld terminals. Now, typically, these are at the point of sale, at the counter, where a consumer comes, picks up products, he comes there to bill. And we typically find that in most cases, there are actually computers and laptops there which is being used. We'll obviously see as to why we are saying that POS is a better option as opposed to let's say a computer system when we kind of proceed further again. Food and convenience stores and departmental stores. These, from a retail perspective, are close to about anywhere between 65 to 70% contributing in terms of overall retail revenues, for India. So this is where the entire action, right now is. And that's how we have got products which at a counter level are very, very helpful for customers to come and pick up, their stuff and come and bill. Also, what happens over here is that because we have a comprehensive solution on the counter from a single service provider, we take care of, as I said, end-to-end solutions. So hardware, the training, the software, and also the solutioning after that in terms of warranties and guarantees. We also offer the highest warranties in the entire industry as far as hardware is concerned right now. Ours is the highest that we offer. So therefore, we are supremely confident of our product, and then we also know that these products will help the retail channels and the retail partners to effectively take their business up, even more to what it is today, simply because the customer is very happy to come there and bill. What are the touch POS system uses over, let's say, desktops? We look at ease of usage. Typically, even when I am whenever I go shopping, and I find, whenever I go to a food court or I go to any of these places where we have multiple machines, we have a scanner, we have a keyboard, we have a screen, we have a hardware laptop. It's extremely difficult for the guy who's billing at the counter to actually go back and keep tapping each one of those and also keep looking at the screen below or the scanner below to see whether it's working or not. Whereas what happens in this touch POS system is that it offers a comprehensive solution on a screen where the eyeballs of the guy is actually on it, rather than, he kind of fidgeting between 4 or 5 different hardware over there. So that's the reason why we always insist, that if you can get POS systems into your outlets, it will also help you all speed up your billing. And once speeding up of billing happens, then automatically there is going to be a point where the customer is going to feel very happy about it. And obviously, there's going to be more repeat purchases there, because, or there's going to be addition of SKUs into the, product listing. As I said, it's also, industrial grade, where we've got mainly for, the harsh retail environments. Again, in terms of temperatures, if you take the north, you typically have somewhere like, 0 degrees in winter and 45, 47 degrees in summer. These kind of withstand the entire thing, notwithstanding the AC within the store. But even then, these are industrial grade, POS machines. The size is compact, kind of saves you all space. And also in terms of, ease of software integration, it's much more easier to integrate software into a POS as opposed to a desktop, or sometimes even, have multiple, let's say, devices adjacent to it to ensure that it kind of, functions smoothly. And last but not the least, as I said, about the warranty support, and of course, enhance the customer satisfaction. The waiting time is actually much lower for a POS system. I was actually meeting up with one of the large departmental store guys out, sometime last week, and we kind of narrowed down to the fact that it takes almost about 4.8 minutes for a bill to be generated at the store. 4.8 minutes for a bill to be generated in a grocery store is very, very high. If you can actually crash that down further, and that I see happening with a POS system over there, because the POS is that much more faster, the eyeball of the guy is actually glued onto the screen much more, and therefore speed and efficiency is at least about 30 to 40% better than what you would have got otherwise, in terms of billing there. So I guess we'll have to look at a point where, we would expect retail to move to our POS systems, and we are more than glad to, come back and, do demos and also kind of give you a touch and feel, within your labs wherever prevalent, and we're able to take you through the entire assortment that we have. A few clients and partners. This is just a snapshot. The list is frankly quite exhaustive, and I wouldn't want to put that across 5 or 6 slides. So thought we should just showcase the main ones here that we deal with in India. So as we see, we also deal with, as I said, it's departmental. We have food. We also have a lot with the banking sectors and the government, piece also. So therefore, we look at government as there, which is all your postal, sale, and everything. So we are spread across all these industries. It's not to do just with, let's say, within retail. Of course, within retail, we have the top 5 or 6. But apart from that, we also have solutions for, these. And what we have also done is that we also work with certain companies where, from a CSR perspective, if they are, looking to give away their, to the police departments or to any other department, a certain set of hardware to be given, we can actually take care of that entire thing, and also we can work out the usage bit of it. We've done that through Maruti in Delhi for the Haryana police. And we're also now in talks with, some of these guys at Mumbai, where we, see ourselves positioning our POS machines to some of the departments that are in Maharashtra. That's the way we work. Our footprint, again, we cover almost every single pin code in India. India is about 19,000 odd pin codes. So we kind of serve every single pin code. And as I said, in terms of service, in terms of availability, in terms of training, in terms of offices, and in terms of the entire footprint that we have, we are available everywhere across the country. We're just a phone call away or an email. And once we kind of start getting into services with every organization, we also have a point where we will kind of, integrate everything into a WhatsApp number. So therefore, from there we kind of pick up the complaints, and then we go back and do solutions. So it's actually technology and hardware and software and services all kind of in the same space. Yeah, why choose us? As I said, we've been there for about 120 years now as a group. Our company's been there for close to about 40 odd years right now. And our major focus is on the retail segment. And therefore, we are here to offer end-to-end solutions products. And again, it's going to be comprehensive in nature, not just about giving one part of the retail solution and then kind of asking the customer to go and look elsewhere. It doesn't work like that. We offer end-to-end solutions. Anytime that you guys want end-to-end solutions, please come back to us. We are here, mostly to help. Thank you. Any questions? Glad to take. Plus, we also have our stall right outside with all the assortment in view. People can actually come in and talk to us there. We'll be more than glad to, take questions and also speak to you there.